Hi, Khalko.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Today I basically came to Mama. She's broken her shoulder, if you guys don't know.
Yeah, they knows. I post a vlog.
And she was alone, so I made sure that she has somebody with her because she needs
and
somebody.
she
with
just
her.
treat
And
me
now
like a
your
baby.
ring doorbell has come now.
Oh my god.
She needs this because she keeps missing a thing. So
You know what?
we'll
She
set this
acts
up.
like my mother. बिल्कुल ऐसे एक्ट करती है जैसे मेरी ये माँ हो. मैं इसकी माँ ना.
I am your mom.
Okay, put it on top of each other.
I need to take it, but I need to do the cooking.
Okay, what you cook?
I'm making curry.
Because I'm making your recipe today.
You are making nothing.
No, I'm not making anything.
You can just film.
I can't be bothered to make
Maybe
anything.
just put a chair there, Mama.
Okay. So आती ही बिल खाली कर रही है क्योंकि मैं नहीं खाली कर सकती थी. तो 2-3 दिनों का भरा हुआ है. चल काम करते जाओ. You were in my TikTok video and everybody loves you so much.
Oh, I love
say,
everybody.
Maliha.
I love everybody as well. Okay, so
yeah.
where do I put this in the orange or?
No, there is no space in the box, so just put it by the orange box.
Okay.
Orange bag.
Orange bag. Okay.
Okay, so what's the plan? अभी फिर इतना.
You get a chair and sit here.
अब फिर ये shopping ले आई हूँ. मैं इस लड़की से तंग आई हूँ.
Mama, stop moving things. I can hear
I'm
you.
not moving.
Okay, but don't do anything, please.
Big, watch over to.
Okay, doing it now.
Daddy.
Just.
Are you fasting?
No.
You fasting 3 times today, isn't it? Okay, no rubbish, okay?
Okay.
No crips, nothing. Gatkuniya. Hey, gatkuniya. You know what's gatkuniya is, kana?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it, Kate?
What is it?
Don't want to say it.
Huh?
I don't want to say it.
You don't want to say it?
No.
Because it's a rude word.
No.
Some are allowed to say it, isn't it?
It's so sad.
It's so sad. Look at me. Your brothers and sisters are coming. So इसने सुमैया का दूध पिया है तो ये उनका सगे वाला भाई है. Isn't it? Your Yusuf and Ella's milk brother. हम सोच रहे थे कि इन सब की शादियाँ आपस में करेंगे तो ये भाई बन गया है. I bought this a chocolate thing, so we're gonna do it together tomorrow, inshallah. No, today.
What is it?
It's like, you know, you can make your own choice of chocolate. I bought it from TikTok. Maliha bins डाल रही है. एक तो ये recycling bin और इस bin और उस bin ने कत्ल कर दिया हमें. 400 किस्म के तो bin रखने पड़ते हैं. कौंसल अपना काम आसान कर रही है और हमारी लाइफ सख्त कर रही है.
Kena, sit on
No,
it.
I was thinking, what about keema dal?
You can make that with Sumaya, don't worry, okay? Sumaya will make that.
Oh,
Let
what
me
you
cook.
making?
I'm making curry and pikore.
But that's all, is it?
Yeah, I got everything with it. Do you want anything else?
No, please make
I can
it.
go to the shop
You
and
know
get
what?
something else.
Honestly, you know our big food bag bin? 2 is full. That much waste, astaghfirullah. I was thinking, like,
I haven't wasted any food.
people are dying.
Yeah, it's true.
So please don't waste
People
any
are
food.
dying.
Just cook as much as me
That's
and
why I
you can
said curry. When I'm home, let me tell you, I make...
Look the
like, you know
fridge,
you
look
get-
the fridge,
You know
look
when
the
you get
fridge.
people...
Look the fridge.
I know, but you know you get people who, when it's Ramadan, they cook excessively. They cook like so many different dishes.
Yeah.
You do that anyway, right?
Yeah, I do it because I'm a mother and I want you guys
do
to
it
eat as
anyway.
much as you can.
I at home, what I do is I make one dish, and that's how much I make usually when it's Ramadan.
Okay. So you're making just one dish, okay? Karee Pakora.
Making
Karee Pakora.
Your favorite thing puff pastry?
You say you didn't bring much. Wow. Watch.
No, it isn't much. It isn't much.
Watch.
I'm making the thingies, you know, mango milkshake.
Yeah. अपनी रेसिपी बना रही है. मैंने कहा चलो मैं रेशों वाले कबाब आपके लिए बना दूं. तो मैंने ले लिया एक ब्रेस्ट रेशा कबाब.
No, why are you making
No, I'm not making it. You're gonna make it. तो ये रेशे वाला कबाब के लिए एक मैंने ले लिया है बिल्कुल साबित. उसको मैंने ऐसे थोड़ा हाथों से ही काट दिया. इस किस्म का पूरा एक मैंने ले लिया है चिकन ब्रेस्ट बड़ा सारा. तकरीबन आधा kg होगा. और मैंने 1 कप दाल चने की रात से भिगो के रखी थी. वो मैंने इस प्रेशर कुकर के पैन में डाल दिया है. ठीक है. So Maliha.
Okay, so I put like 2 tablespoons of ghee, actually 3.
3 tablespoons
and
of
1
ghee.
tablespoon of vegetable oil.
Yeah.
5 garlic cloves.
Yeah.
1
Crush.
Yes, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala.
And you cooking that for
I'm
low
cooking
heat.
it to low heat, so I don't want to burn the thingy. I don't want to burn the cloves.
Tell me your
and
next
now
step.
my next step
So she's gonna put a little bit water here.
and then tomato, okay?
1 tomato. इसको क्रश करना है. थोड़ा सा वाटर डाल दिए. खुशबू. And now place crushed tomato, which is only 1,
Let it brown a little bit.
and let it cook for like 1 minute.
No, a couple of minutes.
Couple of minutes.
I don't want the raw tomato flavor. It needs to cook.
So cook it like for a couple of minutes
On
until
medium
it's
heat.
become a nice paste. And चले मैं अब डालती हूँ रेशो वाले कबाब. रेशो वाले कबाब में थोड़ी सी चीज़ें जो आपको मैं दिखा दूँ अभी. टीस्पून चिली फ्लेक्स, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seed zira, 1 teaspoon mild mixed masala.
I will put a teaspoon of cumin seeds as well.
Okay, and she just put a little bit cumin seeds, like half a teaspoon cumin
Yeah.
seed as well. And salt according to your taste. टीस्पून डाल दूंगी, और थोड़ी सी क्रश चिली और थोड़ा सा क्रश कोरिएंडर, ये मैं डाल के इसको प्रेशर कुकर में रखती हूँ. प्रेशर कुकर पे रखूंगी इसको 30 मिनट के लिए. ऐसे. And now और pressure cooker on for I'm gonna put it on for 30 minutes because it's instant pressure cooker and it works so quickly. This is my pressure cooker kasuri from TikTok shop, and honestly I cook everything in this. It's work amazing for me, and you can see how quick I can make this resha kebab in the.
So I'm going to put this entire.
This is the tub she used, a full tub use here in bowl. So, and now add half a cup milk. Okay. Full fat milk we're using, okay?
Yeah.
And now she's using gram
Just
flour.
1 tablespoon, okay?
1 tablespoon gram flour, which is baked.
I usually do this in a food processor, but I don't know where the food processor is.
So usually I do that in food processor. It's much easier, but she's doing it with the hand now.
This you buy.
Thick, guys, okay? It's not runny. And now she added to the masala, the fried masala. Be careful, that won't be.
Yeah. I'll do it like this because Mama has OCD. Wait. I'll do it like a proper Pakistani, like this, look.
Yeah. अब ये हर चीज साफ भी करेगी ना साथ. मैंने कहा सिर्फ कुकिंग नहीं करना ना.
Yeah, let me tell you, Mama, I get scared when Mama's in the kitchen with me because I have clumsy hands,
But
okay?
I can cook like for 70, 80 people.
And she'll make it clean. Me, I'm one of those people that I'll cook and then I'll clean everything.
मेरी माँ ने मुझे सिखाया कि वो औरत अच्छी नहीं होती जो कि कुकिंग के साथ रबिश बनाए.
अच्छी नहीं है.
अच्छी मतलब कि साफ नहीं होती, क्योंकि कुकिंग के साथ साथ
और
क्लीनिंग का भी ख्याल.
No, this is accurate because मैं साफ नहीं हूँ. Do it. She opening nothing.
So लगी है ये पका रही है मलीहा की रेसिपी. आज मलीहा की कड़ी देखे बहुत ही शानदार होती है.
This is going to be loads of coriander on top.
ये ऐसे है जैसे गोरे कड़ी बनाते हैं.
No, this recipe is from
ज़ैनब आपा,
which is pabutu. So ये
पबूती का रेसिपी है. ये ज़ैनब आपा इसकी टीचर है और उसकी भाभी और माँ ज़ैनब आपा तो बेचारी
This is the
ठीक
recipe
नहीं
she
रहती,
told
वो नहीं
me.
बना सकती, लेकिन आई एम श्योर अगर ज़ैनब आपा कुकिंग करे ना तो उसकी कुकिंग में जान आ हो। इतनी ज़बरदस्त वो औरत है, ईमान से भरी हुई। शी इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड। पर हमेशा कहती हूँ जाके देखूंगी और टाइम ही नहीं मिलता कभी।
No, we did go, but she was ill, wasn't she?
हाँ, शी वाज इन द हॉस्पिटल। सो ये रेसिपी ज़ैनब आपा की भाभी है शाइस्ता, तलहा जान की माँ। आप सब दुआ करना कि तलहा को अल्लाह सेहत दे दे, वो थोड़ा सा बीमार है। तो ऐसी फैमिली है ना कि फरिश्ते हैं बस।
Yeah, it's true.
लविंग, केयरिंग, बहुत ही खूबसूरत फैमिली है। और ये उनकी रेसिपी है और हमारे घर में इस
तो
रेसिपी
मत
का
कहना कि ये गोरे की रेसिपी है।
नहीं, मैंने कहा गोरी बना रही है, ये हाफ अंग्रेज है, काली
नहीं।
अंग्रेज। तो ये बना रही है, ये सिर्फ इसलिए बनाती है जब भी इसको कड़ी बनानी होती है तो ये और समी कहते हैं शाइस्ता बाजी की कड़ी बनाते
And
हैं।
then look how beautiful this curry is.
लेकिन इसका जो टेस्ट होता है ना
Tell
वो
me,
बिल्कुल बटरी किस्म का होता है।
The gram flour needs to cook now.
अच्छा,
So,
पहले इसका जरूरी है कि ये ग्राम फ्लावर अच्छी तरह से
otherwise
कुक
you're
हो
gonna
जाए,
get gram flour's taste in it.
तो क्योंकि अदरवाइज इसमें ग्राम फ्लावर का टेस्ट आएगा। तो ये शाइस्ता बाजी की रेसिपी है, जैसे मलिहा को उसने बताया है तो ये वैसी ही बना रही है। इसको हल्की आंच पे आप कुक करें।
Yeah, bus, and then you garnish it with coriander. If you want to put fried onions,
Are you
in it,
gonna go
put.
more water because it's too thick?
No.
No.
You never put. You put milk in if you want it to be more runny.
अच्छा, अगर तो आपको रनी करना हो तो मिल्क डालना, वाटर आपने नहीं
No,
डालना।
no. This needs to be creamy and rich
Yeah.
with the pecore.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Now
ये
I'm
राज
gonna
है।
do. Yes. Now
ये राज है।
now I'm gonna do the pecore.
It's still developing pressure, and you can see it's amazing. It's amazing product. I'm so happy with my purchase. Look, all the oil come to the top.
And then my food is done now.
And that's it. Her food is done, but now she's making pakora to put it in.
Yes.
Pakora, she cut red onion, quite long, thin and long like that. Like chips kind of potato. And let's see what else she add to that. Some coriander.
Sorry, my.
And now some coriander. She's chopping some coriander for pakora.
I need a bigger bowl. Such a simple recipe. So,
Very simple, very elegant, just like a wow.
just like a wow.
Just like a wow.
Just like a wow.
चीज इतनी गैर जिम्मेवारी अंदाज से उठाती है।
Mama, did you see the Sheena program then? Me and Mama were watching a program.
Sheena, which? Oh,
Sheena.
no. Nafia watching. She tried to tell me. I said, Nafia, I'm gonna kill you. No.
So I went to sleep. Did you watch one more episode?
No. Okay.
Okay, so I put 1 whole cup of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of haldi, and 1 teaspoon of gram flour. No, sorry, garam masala.
Garam masala.
Garam masala
And salt according to your taste.
Yeah.
ये पकोड़े भी अब तैयार हो जाए तो मैं जाऊँ, मैं आराम कर लूँ क्योंकि मेरे शोल्डर में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है।
Definitely say.
दस से लगी है जैसे कि बस प्रॉपर शेफ मलिहा हो। मलिहा शेफ मलिहा।
Oh, sous chef.
So I didn't press the record button. I'm really sorry, but she makes.
Let
all
me
the
tell you guys
potato.
what I've done, okay?
Yeah.
So you have matchstick potato, 3 potatoes, 3 red onions, 2 green chilies. I make it in a separate bowl, and then in the other bowl is my dry mix. 1 cup gram flour. You guys know the spices. I already said it. And then I just mix it through, and then I use it with a spoon to coat, and then if I need to, then I add the water to it. Okay. So
she basically
coriander as well, a
Yeah.
bunch of coriander. I think I
bunch
need.
of coriander. She didn't add any water yet, but she's gonna only add 1/4 cup water to make a quite nice dough kind of mixture. So she adding slowly the
Slowly,
1/4
slowly.
cup of water and
Pole.
mix it. Makiste.
Yes.
Look, with only 1/4 cup of water, it's become quite moisture.
You don't want to put too much in it.
If it's too much water, it's gonna be too runny, and then you will
And
lose
your
the taste.
mix will just be runny, and this is nice and dry, and then it'll be nice and crunchy instead of soggy.
और जब कड़ी के अंदर
And
लश्कारे
now,
मारेगा,
like a proper desi, I will now.
देसियों की तरह हम अपना कल्चर बीच में डालेंगे। हाथों से मल 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 के इसका मलीदा बना देंगे। अगर कभी भी आपका गुस्सा हो किसी चीज पे तो ये वाला मिक्सचर बनाएं।
मैं गुस्सा नहीं है, कला गुस्सा
है। If you get angry on anyone, start making pakora or kebab mix.
I was gussa, but my mother spoke to me and said, "Don't do gussa," and now I'm okay.
You know, gussa is haram.
Haram.
So basically, roza is not only roza from
I know. I say
food.
this to my husband all the time.
Roza is roza from every sin.
Yes.
Just 1 month.
Not even sin, even over consuming. Like you shouldn't buy so much. You shouldn't speak ill of anybody.
11 महीने तो है ना हाँ गुनाह करने के लिए। इस 1 महीने में गुनाह ना करे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 11 महीने फिर हम बाज तो आने वालों में से नहीं है, पर अल्लाह हमें बाज रखे।
But mama, people say that your roza isn't. If you still carry on the things that you do after Ramadan, it means your roza isn't kabul. I don't know if that's true or not.
नहीं, ये खैर ट्रू नहीं होगा। हमारा अल्लाह बहुत करीम है, लेकिन अक्सर होता है रोज़ों में बहुत लोग फाइज बन जाते हैं, फिर बाद में थोड़ा बहुत कर लेते हैं। हम इंसान हैं और हमारे लिए अल्लाह ने तौबा बनाई हुई है कि दिल से तौबा करे। दिल से तौबा करने वाले अल्लाह के पसंदीदा बंदे होते हैं। गुनाह हमसे होता है, तौबा हमारा रास्ता है, तौबा करें। चले अब ये बनाती है पकौड़े, फिर ये मिक्स करेगी और फिर मैं बेड में जाती हूँ क्योंकि मेरा कंधा बस मर रहा है।
Try to do it with dry hands because then you just
wait. Say again.
Try to do it with dry hands because then what you do is you make the oil spit so much. So
okay.
Don't.
Health and safety, guys. Health and safety.
And try to
health and safety.
Try to clean around the area whilst you're doing it because your mother, if you like
mine,
yeah, if
she will kill you. You go mother like Sabiha, then you're in trouble. So try to clean all the mess.
And a good trick if you want to see if your oil is ready, I just put 1 onion, and now I know my oil isn't ready.
It's because I slow down your cooker, okay?
So I don't want it to be
और
burning.
ये इसके कल के पकौड़ों का मिक्सचर थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ है, मैंने कहा नहीं जानते, चलो इसी में बना लेते हैं, लेकिन अपना ऑयल हमेशा छान लिया करें ताकि ये बिट्स ना रहे।
Oh, do you want me to?
No.
Let me tell you guys something. I don't make a bowl like people do. So what I do, so I like it really crispy. So I spread it out, okay? I don't make it so big as well.
ये
so
बिल्कुल कटलेस की तरह स्प्रेड कर देती है, गोल गोल नहीं बनाती है। ये इसका तरीका है, तो गलत और राइट सही नहीं कहना, बस इसके तरीके से बना लेना क्योंकि ये चपड़ते बनाती है।
I don't like it when it's so doughy. I like it when it's crunchy.
ये बड़े बनाती है?
No.
क्रंची बनाती है?
नहीं बनाते।
नहीं। I mean पहले हुए बनाती है। पहले हुए। मेरे मुंह की तरह चपड़े हुए, मेरी नाक की तरह चपड़े हुए, क्योंकि मुझे लोग चाइनीज नाक, इंडोनेशियन नाक, फिलिपियन नाक सब कुछ कहते हैं। अब पकौड़े रेडी हो गए, यहाँ से उठा के so add it to this. Take the pakoda from here. It's ready.
If you want it to spread like this,
add it to here.
There you go.
That's all.
Okay.
And our curry is ready. Yummy curry. कड़ी भी बन रहे हैं एक्स्ट्रा। कड़ी तो बन गई है, पकोड़े बना रही है।
15 minutes left till iftar.
Okay.
And then we're ready.
कैलब भी वेट कर रहा है। ये इसका चौथा इफ्तार होगा आज। It's your 4th iftar today, isn't it?
Yeah. I think so.
Yeah. So ये भी हो गई है।
We love pakore.
और she making mocktail or what? No,
you want? Oh no, I made mango juice.
ये mango juice है क्योंकि mocktail